Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought that I would talk a little bit about how I got all the red tones out of my hair and the process that I went through. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. First of all, last summer I did some bleaching and my hair was pretty much orange, and it stayed orange, and I dyed it. I went ahead and did some toners and some ash colors, and the red would keep coming back. So I added into my hair color formula a product called Unwanted by Ardell, and I purchased this at Sally Beauty. It's a great product. It took all the red tones out of my hair for over a month. Now there is another product that also you can use to tone down oranges. It's called the Red Gold Corrector. That works as well. Now that tones down more orangey gold tones, and then the unred is mostly the red. I used the Red Gold Corrector, which helped, but I think my problem must have been more of the red because the unred seemed to work better for me than the Red Gold Corrector. These are products at Sally Beauty that I don't think everybody knows about. It's not going to work if you use it like in your shampoo, but you have to use it in your hair color. And some of the red's starting to return to my hair, so I'm going to have to probably be doing that again soon. But it did work for quite a while. So some of the other things that I have done to get the red under control. There is a purple shampoo that is under $10. It's natural based, cruelty free. It's from Shy Kai. I think that's how you say it. Shy Kai is the brand, and it's called Color Reflect in Platinum. Now it says that actually it's for a platinum blonde or a silver. I think it says silver, platinum hair, and blonde hair. But I have found that this works very well to tone down the reds in my hair, which is a light brown. Isn't that pretty? So it's a gorgeous violet purple color, and this shampoo, it smells really nice. It makes your hair feel soft. It doesn't strip the hair. I would use this maybe about twice a week, and it really does work well. I really like it a lot. You would get this at Sally Beauty. It's called Fanciful. These products have been around forever, and there's Bashful Blonde and Plush Brown. Bashful Blonde 56, Plush Brown is 21, and sometimes I will mix them together. They will tone down reds. They will also, this product actually also helps to blend away gray. Not 100%, but it just kind of blends it in your hair. It can fix red tones. Also, if you have over-processed in some areas, and my hair is uneven in certain areas, and this will even out your hair without you having to dye over it, because it's temporary. And so that's what's so nice about it, is it washes out. And I've used these products forever. And so again, tone down brassiness, or if you want to add gold to your hair, if you want to even out your hair color, this stuff is great. And you can get it at Sally's. I've seen it at Walmart, but it's in different packaging at Walmart. It's in a pink packaging, and I think it's exactly the same stuff. Use blue Hawaiian Punch, or you can use grape. The blue will tone down some of the warmth. The purple also will tone down some of the warmth. The purple tones down orangey tones. The blue Hawaiian Punch will tone down more of the red tones. What I will do is I will use a whole packet to half a cup of conditioner and put it all in my hair and do like a treatment and leave it on for maybe like a half hour. But it will just make it, it kind of works like the purple shampoo. Do your own research on this first, but it works very well as well. Those are just a few things I do to tone down some of the red. If you start dyeing and bleaching your hair and your hair is dark, it's going to get red. So anyway, if you have some red tones and you have a story about what you do with them, please leave a comment below. I would love to hear about it, and thank you so much for watching today, and I hope that you have a great day. Bye-bye.